What if someday we decided that the usefulness of our planet had run its course, and humans needed to scour space to find somewhere new to live? But instead of finding a potentially habitable Earth-like exoplanet light years away, we'd build our own artificial world right here in the solar system. What kind of technology would we need to manufacture a new planet? Where would we find enough raw materials for our future world? And how long would it take us to finish this planetary construction project? This is What If, and here's what would happen if we built an artificial planet. Rocky planets like Earth are born from the leftover material of a newly formed star. They start off as grains of dust smaller than the width of a human hair. These grains fuse into larger chunks that keep colliding with each other until, after a few million years, they develop into a new terrestrial world.
Scouр, scouр, scouр.